When you're on a flight or heading to work on public transport, a good pair of travel headphones can be your ultimate companion. They're great for isolation, comfort, extended battery life, and does not feel bulky so that you can enjoy your favorite music without any disruption. Well, in today's video, we are going to show you the top 5 best travel headphones which are specially designed for all kinds of travelers. So without further ado, let's get started. Feel powerful and balanced sound with the Solo Pro from Beats, a wireless on-ear headphone that features excellent active noise cancelling and unrivaled 40 hours of runtime on a single charge in its class. These headphones are an awesome choice for long-term continuous usage as they are ergonomically designed to provide optimal comfort. Its drivers are designed to produce perfectly balanced music, and its 2 listening modes let you enjoy your content without any disturbances and keep you aware of your surroundings. With one-button operation, you can manage all your calls, skip songs, and control volume effectively. Besides, as it is compatible with a voice assistant, you and your friends can enjoy music or a video by simply commanding it with your voice. Remove background noise with Jabra Elite 85H, which is assembled to deliver an excellent music experience even if you are sitting in public transport. These over-ear headphones are incredibly comfortable even if you have glasses on. These ear cups fold flat and rotate towards the headband so you can hang it on your neck or store it in its carry bag. Its water-repellent construction makes sure this device can withstand light rain, and you can even wear it when you're training in the gym. Its noise-cancelling feature can filter out ambient noise so that you can hear every bit of your music without any disruption. With on-ear detection, these headphones can easily detect and pause music when you remove them from your ears. You will also be able to control your music track or answer phone calls through these headphones. Using the Jabra Sound app, you will be able to seamlessly multitask and unlock the headphone's true potential. With up to 41 hours of playback time, it takes only 2.5 hours to recharge its battery completely. Specially built for frequent travelers, the Sennheiser PXC 550-2 can uplift your journey with unrivaled sound quality and wireless freedom. The 550-2 is the upgraded version of the previous PXC 550 model with advanced drivers and the latest Bluetooth technology. These headphones are housed with a powerful battery, enabling you to play your music for up to 30 hours straight, to travel miles after miles and enjoy music after music. A pre-built touchpad on its right ear cup lets you control volume, swap or change music and videos effortlessly. Also, you'll get access to a voice assistant with a touch of a single button. It has a sensor that can detect movement, and once you swivel the cups, it will stop or pause the music until you put it back on. Coming in at number 2, we have got the Bose 700, which is perfectly manufactured for those who travel a lot for business. These headphones are packed with a premium driver and noise-cancelling features that help to convert any crowded place into the ideal meeting environment. With one click, you can switch your device to full transparency and get a momentary break from isolation. Its premium construction is designed to provide an excellent and comfortable experience for the user. Its easy-to-access voice assistant lets you play music, navigate directions, add to your shopping list, and many other tasks, while its intuitive touchpad on-ear cup allows you to stay connected without reaching for your phone. The Bose 700 uses simple sync technology, which means you can pair it with a selected Bose soundbar to enhance your listening experience. Finally, you can enjoy non-stop music for up to 20 hours on a single charge. When it is just about you and your favorite music, the WH-1000X Mark IV from Sony lets you enjoy crystal clear sound while personalizing your experience to a whole new level. Housed with 40mm drivers on each side, these headphones will perfectly blend with its advanced noise-cancelling feature and leave the noisy environment behind. Besides, its transparent mode makes sure you can take a quick break from isolation. With a bunch of sensors, it can recognize whether you are wearing them or not and automatically plays or pauses the music, which lets you enjoy a totally hands-free listening experience. It can transmit 3 times more data than traditional Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to experience a premium sound tangle-free. These headphones are compatible with voice assistants and are equipped with lots of beneficial features for the user to enjoy. Also, a powerful battery provides up to 30 hours of runtime, so cross from one border to another without worrying about battery life. So that was our list of the top 5 best travel headphones for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.